Good afternoon, I'm Edward. I'm a sales analyst for the Business Development Division of Sharp Philippines Corporation, and today I'm gonna present to you one of our state-of-the-art products in Sharp Philippines, which is called the Interactive Display Panel, or sometimes we call it IDP, and sometimes we also call it IWB, which stands for Interactive Whiteboard. So this is a PC-based equipment, and also this is very much used for presentations, business meetings. Also, you can watch here anything. You can also use it for entertainment as well. But let me just give you a quick demo on how we can use it. When you buy this IWB, it comes with software which can be installed in order to maximize the features and the specifications of this big pad. So I will use the Sharp Pen software, which is included in the package. And in here, you can actually write. You can write here. You can choose any colors. So as I said, it's an interactive whiteboard, so you can write there. Also, you can import your files like your presentation in PowerPoint format, maybe in Keynote, in Excel, in Microsoft Word. So any form you can just import it, then you can edit, you can present. And one of the unique features of this interactive whiteboard is that using a Wi-Fi connection, you can connect it to your tablet. Any brand of tablet, whether it's Mac, Samsung, or like this one, it's an Asus. So you can connect up to 50 tablets or 50 laptops and 50 desktops can connect to the IWB. So also, given a Wi-Fi connection using the TD-Link software, which is also included in the package, you can install it to your tablet. You can download it in Google Play and also in App Store. So using TD-Link, you can transfer files from your tablet up to this big pad. So I'll just connect to the TD-Link. Alright, let me just connect. Let me just connect through the Wi-Fi connection. And I'll show you how a simple transfer using the tablet and the IWB. By the way, you can also print any files here through our IMFT multifunction printer, and also you can send immediately through email. So let me just connect. Okay, so using my tablet and the TD-Link software, which you can easily download, I will now show you how we can transfer files, pictures, images to the IWB using just one touch. So I'll take a picture of one of our big screens. So I'll just take a picture. So this is the picture, and by one touch, I will transfer it to the IWB. So that's the file. And once you send the file, you can use the different pens in order to give details to your presentation. For example, this is for advertisement. Sorry for my handwriting. Then this is our printer. So you can use that. Then also you can save your file. You can save as PDF. You can save it to any format, and you can actually easily email it to your different computers. So also you can print whatever you have done. Your presentations you can print. You can just click here, and also okay, then we'll just wait, and using our multifunction printer, we can now have the hard copy of our presentation. So so this is our printed document as we use the IWB Interactive Whiteboard. So this is our printed copy of the file that we transferred in our IWB using our tablet and the TP-Link software. So very easy, very fast, it saves time. Okay, and you can just easily access everything with just one touch. By the way, this IWB software, it comes in 60 inches, 70 inches, and also 80 inches. It's already out in the market. You can go to our showroom in Pioneer. It's called Sharp Business Solution Showroom. You can just easily find here along Pioneer Street, and it is only 500,000 pesos suggested retail price. We can give you a discount, corporate discounts. Just call us, just give us a call at Sharp Philippines Corporation. Thank you very much and good day.